To replace the wiper motor, you will need to remove the side trim pieces, blue arrows, the front trim panel, green arrow, and the cowl, along with the wiper arms, red arrows. The front trim piece can be gently lifted up from the cutout handles, and the side trim pieces can be gently pulled out away from the fender. Need additional assistance with that task? Please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Prior to removing the wiper arm motor, you will need to mark the original position of the wiper arms in order to properly realign them when installing. To remove the wiper arms, remove the 13mm nut holding the arms to the wiper arm screws and set the arms aside. To remove the cowl, start at one end and use a trim removal tool to wedge under the cowl and release the tab from the windshield. Use another trim removal tool to go inch by inch, gently twisting upwards to release the cowl from its channel. Once you have full access to the motor, remove the one 13mm bolt, red arrow, one T27 Torx screw, green arrow, and then an additional T27 Torx screw, blue arrow, in that order. Note, during installation, you will follow the reverse order. Blue arrow, then green arrow, then red arrow. Both T27 Torx screws need to be torqued to 11 Newton meters or 8 foot-pounds, and the 13mm bolt needs to be torqued to 23 Newton meters or 17 foot-pounds. With the motor free from the mount, locate the wiring connection, red arrow, on the underside of the motor. Disconnect the wiring connection using a flathead screwdriver and rotating the release tab slightly. We recommend resting the wiper motor on a thick soft towel while you remove the wiring connection. You can now fully remove and set aside the entire wiper motor assembly. The wiper motor is currently only available as a unit with the assembly. When reinstalling, be sure to note the original position of the wiper motor if you are planning to install the same motor you removed. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.